Hello, in this recording what we're gonna do is remove a particular software on my system and then reinstall it again, and for that I've picked up Redis because I intend to upload some notes and information around Redis database over a period of few weeks or days coming up. So you can see that I'm using Windows subsystem for Linux, and I have my Unix prompt open, so I'm just gonna remove redis-server, which is currently installed on my system. Just says okay, say yes to it. You can see that at the end it's useful to run this command, so keep it copied and ready. Just wait for the system to completely remove it. Why do we have to do it? It's because since I already had Redis installed on my system, I cannot show how it is installed on a Ubuntu 18.04, so thought we'll start fresh. And let's just paste sudo apt all the dependencies. You can see that it's almost getting removed. That's good for us. Then what are we gonna do? We're gonna press Ctrl and L to clean the screen. Control and L, so that is control, this L means this, okay, not capital, small. Just press Control and L, it will work. Clear the screen. Then let's just do apt update, just to keep all our repositories up to date. All clean, and let's clear the screen again and then just install it again. You don't need to really write apt-get, you can just write apt install. This will install all the required tools to run Redis. Okay, it's done. Let's just create another split window to just have a look at the configuration. Just click, if you're on Windows laptop, Alt Shift and D, that should give you a window like this. Let's just use Nano Editor and look at the configuration. This is where the configuration generally lies, which is good for us. Just look at this basic information. Okay, it's fine to local. Let's just look at other information. Okay, supervised, no, supervised system, supervised system MD. Yeah, all good. Let's just exit. Control X. Now just clear the screen on that window as well as here, so that we can just test something. Redis-server. We need this to be running. You can see that Redis is ready and running. It's ready to accept connections. You can see that here. And then let's just try redis-cli. This is how we start generally Redis. Now you can give it any, and Redis we all know it's a, we may not all of us may not know Redis is a key value in memory database. So let's just set some value. Let's just say name and value, let's say Joe. John. Let's just get it. You can see that's all there is for today. Thank you for watching. So you set up the Redis on your machine. If you have a Ubuntu setup, this is how you do it. And in MacBook, it's a lot more easier. Probably you can use brew install and then just install Redis. Thank you for watching.